Okay, so we have our friends at AOMEI Tech giving free stuff again for a limited time until April 3rd. So if you watch this video today or tonight or this morning or this evening, you can grab all this stuff if you have interest on it for free. Yes, you will actually have it for free. What do we have here? We have a Windows backupper that I've actually featured before on a video that I collaborated with them. It is really good to back up your Windows. There's a phone tool for iPhones or Apple products mostly, but iPhones, if you want to do a backup of your iPhone. As we all know, it's not the easiest thing to do a local backup. You can do it right here with an iPhone backup, and you have the optional cloud backup as well, so you can back up stuff to your cloud. And we have for virtual machines and Hyper-V backup as well. The value on this one alone is $499, but you can get it right now for absolutely $0. It's all yours, but only until April 3rd through the link that I will provide below. And here we have Windows recovery for $59.95 now it's $0. And you have another iPhone recovery, so you can recover data from your iPhone in case it broke or something happened. You can attempt with this one. And besides that, it just tells you what every app does right here. As you see, you can scroll down in case you're not sure what they do. You just click on them either here on the side, or you just keep scrolling like I'm doing right here. It is really beautiful. And you have my Recover Pro for Windows and my Recover Pro for iOS. In case you have Apple laptop or MacBook, they have the version for iOS as well. And this is the bundle. I'm gonna get all of them just to see what happens. We're gonna install them real quick, and we will all see how good this is. And yes, a special thank you to AOMEI for reaching out to me again, even though I have collaborated with them so many times, and I will collaborate with them in the future too, because I use a lot of their software and I'm really happy with what they have done and what they're still doing today. Absolutely amazing people. And here's the stuff we just downloaded. Let me minimize this one. I'm just gonna put the AOMEI folder here. AOMEI free stuff, I guess I'm gonna name it. Drop everything there. Boom, now we have a folder with a lot of good stuff. And that's the C backup, phone tool, my recover for Windows, because this is for iOS, cyber backup, AOMEI backupper, I already have that. Let me just go to phone tool, for example. This is the license key. Let me just undo these two really quick. Boom, install it. Yes, when it asks for, click OK. Let it just install really quick. I accept, create desktop icon, yes, install it, and we're gonna insert the license key as well. And this is almost done now. Just installing the proper drivers for the phone tool, and the phone tool is already done now. Let me enjoy now, join user experience. I usually don't do that, so I'm good, and I'm gonna finish. It will open the app really quick. Yes, that's the phone tool, and we're gonna register it really quick. And I'm gonna try to hide this as best as I can. Just copy the key, drop it to your offline key right here, register. Okay, so we have to change it because I actually already have it registered on this machine. So we're just gonna leave it as that, because I'm not gonna click re-register. I have to open my notebook somewhere that I have the actual registration for this machine. But as you saw here, actually you have an activation key right here. So in your machine, it will not do this. In my machine, it did it because, of course, I'm already part of phone tool. And here's backup history, phone backups if you have any. You can do a full backup or a selective backup. If you connect your iPhone, you have the phone transfer. You have iPhone to PC, PC to iPhone, or iPhone to iPhone, where you plug both iPhones to the same computer that you have phone tool on, and you hit get started and select apps and data that you want to transfer. You have WhatsApp Messenger backups to do, or transfer WhatsApp data as you would like, and you have WhatsApp Business as well. This is really good, and here's a toolbox that you have photo deduplication or duplicate finder, and it gets rid of duplicates. HEIC converter, so you can batch convert photos that sometimes are HEIC to JPEG so they're readable. And you have the data eraser, so you can choose to erase your private data or one click to erase all data on your iPhone. If you're ready, for example, to sell it or give it to someone or whatnot, you can do so. And besides that, we have other apps here as well, actually, that we can do. Let me get the Windows, My Recover. Let me put it here again. I'm gonna do the second app really quick, just for fun. I'm not sure if I have this My Recover on this computer or the other computer. So if it says machine stuff again, well, we know that I already have the software. So, okay, I'm gonna launch it, close this window because I don't need it. And we're gonna try to grab the license for 1 year right here, paste it and register. Okay, successful. Because looks like I have the other one registered on the other computer. That's why it said that. And here, if you had a drive, you can recover your deleted data from that drive right here. And you can do crashed PC recovery from a boot device, ISO file, or you can burn into a DVD and recover your computer like that. In my opinion, it is worth taking a look. Taking a click. The software, I've already scanned it and it is safe to use. Yes, I have Malwarebytes installed on my computer, the premium version, and I checked it already with VirusTotal and it is squeaky clean. All these apps could be for free, all yours. Just take a look at the link below. And again, thank you to AOMEI for actually supporting this channel and collaborating with this channel. I'm grateful and thankful to them. With that said, I hope you like this video and I hope you're gonna hit that subscribe and like and share this link with somebody else if they need the software before April the 3rd. Bye for now.